Hello, today we are solving October 2025 Unit 2 IAL paper question number 5. Solia Construction PLC agreed to purchase this JKL PLC on 30th September 2025. In the part A of the question, part A, we had prepared the agreed value, agreed value of assets, liabilities, purchase price and the goodwill paid. And we had also prepared the journal entries, okay, to close down the books of the JKL PLC. Now the part C of the question, Margarita holds 2500 shares in JKL PLC. This is the company that is bought over by the Solia Construction PLC, taken over. She has bought the shares at the nominal face value when the company was started. Evaluate the takeover of the JKL PLC by the Solia Construction PLC from the point of view of a shareholder, Margarita. What is the value of, what is the takeover thing, Now evaluate this takeover. So what is the case for takeover? Margarita is holding 2500 shares, which means how much of the shares and the cash she is going to receive, because they had given an offer price. We had calculated the offer price. So the offer price that was given is here. We can see that for the share capital it is 1.63 pounds and the cash of 0.25 pounds. So when we multiply, the number of shares is 2, for every one share held 2 is given in this one. So you divide the number of shares divided by 2 into 1.63, which is the ordinary plus premium rate. So that is equal to 2037.5 pounds. And for the cash, we have to divide the number of shares. First calculate, and the rate of offer for the cash was 0.25 pounds, which you will calculate, and then the value is 312, add up. So she is going to receive a total of 2350 worth of money, worth of the thing she is going to receive. She is going to receive some in shares and some in cash. So this is what she is going to receive, the worth of pounds. Now if she bought the shares in JKL PLC at the time of issue, for example, the nominal rate of the JKL PLC is 0.75. Then you multiply the number of shares into 0.75, the value is this much, and therefore the profit she is going to make is 475 pounds. This 2350, which is the new offer price, minus her initial purchase value, will give you the profit, which seems to be, she is at least getting 475 pounds, which is favorable, which is favorable for Marita. She is making Margarita, so she is making some profit, of 475 pounds, we can say. However, we don't know what is the current market price. In the market price has gone up. Let's assume she had bought at 0.75. Now if the market price is around more than this 1.75, it's trading, let's assume, but these people are offering 1.63, then she will not make a profit. So we don't know the current price, which means if she sells or if the price has then we will not know, because we are assuming she is getting 1 point, then she can sell in the share market only and she will make a greater profit. So if the market price was 1.75, she will sell in the share market and she will make more profit than selling the shares to the Solia Construction PLC. Now, however, the market price is not known. The shares may be trading above the value they were issued at. If the company is doing well, so then it will not benefit Margarita. Nor we know what price the shares of JKL PLC was trading at. If they have a debit balance of retained earnings, the company is probably not doing very well and it is possibly ripe to be taken over. Because we saw they have a debit balance, of retained earnings, that means they must have not done well. We assume that the shares might be trading at a lower value. Then it is beneficial for the Margarita, because she will be earning a profit of 475 pounds. So, and also we some of the things when it is, that is from the shareholder point of view. what is the benefit she is getting. If at all she is getting some profit, we have to discuss. But what is the case against taking over? Margarita's power will be lost, voting rights will be lost, and she will not be called in for any voting rights in the decision of the Solia Construction PLC. Okay, because it's a larger, okay, it is a larger entity now. And also one is if there is a cultural clash, because they're being taken over in the new company, there may be working cultural clashes, which means some productivity might go down. We can also say that future probability and dividend payments might not happen. So if because she is going to hold some amount of shares, she is going to hold half the number of shares now. So that means half the number of shares. Okay, even then she will not be able to get future dividend payments for that many shares if there is a cultural working culture problem. Okay, and it is not known what the value of the shares in Solia Construction PLC and JK PLC are worth in the market. So without that you can't keep commenting. So in conclusion, we can say, based on what we have been given the information and calculation, okay, in conclusion it is beneficial for Margarita from takeover as she is able to get profit worth 475 pounds. Okay, so you can just give your own conclusion. Okay, you can also say it might not be beneficial if it is trading, if she is got a lower value. Okay, you have to give a conclusion stating for this answer. Okay, so this is how you will evaluate for the takeover from the